Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Polybuzz, Talkie and Character AI. When comparing Polybuzz, Talkie and Character AI, each one has its style and strengths depending on what you need. Polybuzz is great for practical tasks. It's good for people who want to build chatbots for business, automate replies or handle messages efficiently. It's simple and more focused on getting things done. Talkie is designed for fun and interactive conversations. It lets you create characters and chat with them casually. It's light and enjoyable, perfect for storytelling or roleplay lovers. Character AI is the most advanced in creating lifelike and creative AI personalities. You can have deep conversations with realistic responses. It's ideal for those who enjoy roleplay, writing inspiration, or chatting with AI just for fun. In my opinion, if you want a help tool for work, go with Polybuzz. If you like casual chats, Talkie is fun. But if you want the most realistic and creative AI characters, Character AI is a top choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.